Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Single, welcoming you to my channel. Here I am with a new video in the J.A.R.V.I.S series. So guys, in this video we are going to define our wish me function, which will wish us according to the time, the good morning, good afternoon or good evening. So without wasting time, let's start. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our series or playlist on the J.A.R.V.I.S in Python, access it now so you don't lose any video. So let's start with the code. I'll provide you the link in the description. Don't forget to save it anywhere. Let's start with the code. So I'm back in my Visual Studio Code. What you have to do is remove the save function we made here and then go to top and import datetime module. Import datetime. Now you have to make a variable just down the datetime. Time is equals to int datetime dot datetime dot datetime dot now parenthesis dot hour. This is a global variable as it is made outside of any function. Now come here and down there and then type def wish me parenthesis and then colon. Now if time is greater than 4 and time is less than 12, then say good morning user, good morning user. If time is greater than or equals to 12 and time is less than 17, which is 5 p.m., then say good afternoon user, good afternoon user. Now and then if time is greater than 17, greater than or equals to 17 here, yeah, and time is less than 24, then say good evening user, evening user. So this is our wish me function. It will wish us when we start J.A.R.V.I.S. We have to call it in main. So what we are going to do is define a main function. So here if underscore underscore name, not annotations, name equals to then in single quotes underscore underscore main underscore underscore and then column. So this is our main function which will work. And now wish me here, yeah. Now let's check by running the code here.
Good afternoon user.
Yeah, it's working. As you can hear, it said good afternoon user as it is about 2:10 p.m. and let me remove this from my program here, voices.id. Remove this. Now run again.
Good afternoon user.
Yeah, good afternoon J.A.R.V.I.S. So now this was the wish me function. Hope you understand it. In upcoming videos we will make another functions. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please comment down. Thank you.